In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write emails faster with Microsoft Copilot. If you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to craft the perfect message, this walkthrough will make email writing faster and less stressful. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Microsoft Copilot website. Sign in with your Microsoft account so Copilot can start a session just for you. Using the same account you normally use for work or school will help keep things organized. Any modern browser will work, and once you're signed in, you're ready to go. Inside Copilot, begin with a clean slate by selecting New Chat or Start New Task. Both options do the same thing. They clear previous context and focus Copilot on the email you're about to create. A fresh chat helps Copilot respond precisely to your new prompt. Now tell Copilot exactly what you need. Type a short description of the email, including the situation, tone, and any must-include points. For example, you might say, draft a professional follow-up email to a client about a project update, or write a short thank you email after a meeting. If it helps, include the desired length and level of formality. You can even ask it to suggest a subject line. Keep it clear and avoid pasting in sensitive or confidential details. You'll see Copilot generate a complete draft within seconds. Read it carefully and personalize any names, dates, deadlines, or project specifics. Adjust the voice so it sounds like you. If a sentence feels too formal or casual, tweak it or ask Copilot to revise the tone. Think of this draft as a strong starting point that you refine with your expertise. By the way, you'll find the official Copilot website link right at the top of the description, so you can jump in immediately after watching. When you're happy with the draft, highlight the text, copy it, and paste it into your email platform of choice. Outlook on the web, Gmail, or whichever service you use. You can send it from there without opening the Outlook desktop app. Add your signature, double-check formatting, and make sure the subject and recipients are correct before sending. As you continue using Copilot, lean on it to speed up future messages. Ask it to adjust tone, length, or formality for different recipients. Perhaps warmer for partners, more concise for executives. Over time, you'll build reliable prompts that turn blank pages into polished emails in minutes. That's it for today. If this helped, feel free to try it using the link in the description, and thanks for watching.